Guys, what's happening? So today I wanted to take you into power punching. What is the best way to generate power? There's a massive argument around power. You are born with power, and then there's a massive argument around that you can learn how to generate power. I am not someone that's born with power, so today I'm gonna show you what I have worked on to help me generate more power. One of the videos you see where I went and trained with Shane McGuigan, he really broke down my style and showed me where I was going wrong in terms of generating power. He told me a couple of things. Let's look at the best power punches of all time. Look at the way they punch, look at the way they rotate, look at their balance. So the main things that I'm gonna go into are your shape, the way you rotate with shots, and then the way you hold your balance to help you generate the most power you can. First things first, I want your elbows in so they're by your side. I don't want your leverage with your arm. I don't want long shots. I want you to create the shape with your arms, and then I want you to exaggerate the rotation through your body to get the weight behind the shots. And when I was growing up and I was listening to these old trainers talk about turning pro, they would always talk about planting your feet. You got to plant your feet. And I used to watch it and think, what the fuck does that mean? What does planting your feet mean? I've been boxing in terms of dancing around, etc. But what planting your feet allows you to do is really sink the shots in. And that's what I want to work on with you today. We ain't going to worry about extending at full length. We're going to focus on throwing shots short and having most of the movement through our body. So what we're going to work on is uppercuts. Very simple and easy to do when it comes to generating power. So we're balanced. Our feet are like they're cemented in the ground, right? I want elbows by your side, old school style. Look at me. My elbows are sitting on my body, my shoulders are relaxed. My fist is closed, so it's nice and tight. Now, when we throw the uppercut, the thumbs out to the side, the thumbs out to the side. All we are going to work on is a 20-second burst of generating power. I'm focusing on rotating, rotating, rotating. So my arms are not moving much. It is coming from my hips, from my shoulders, from my waist. And we're gonna focus on turning through the shots, through the shot, through the shot. Now I'm gonna show you a bad version of it. No movement, and it's just arms. So what I want is elbows in, you're creating the shape with your arms, and most of the movement comes through the body. And you're focused on digging the shot in. 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off, or we can lower it and you can do 10 seconds on, 10 seconds off. Just focus on that movement. Feel the weight through the shot. So when you're going through this drill, my arms are on my body. We're working on throwing hard uppercuts. The reason I like these mitts is because they force me to close my fist and punch correctly. Now, if you look at that here, it's solid. So when I'm punching, my arm is not having the ability to go like this. Now, all the old school fighters use them, by the way, and it's why their punching quality was good. So here's what we're doing. We're planting our feet. When I throw that back uppercut, thumb is out, I'm creating a shape. I'm turning from my hip and turning through the shot. Consistently rotate with as least movement as possible in my arms and focus on a solid fist, solid forearm, keeping the shape with the arms, and rotating through the shot. One more thing to add is the breath. When you're power punching and when you're punching, the same as if you was lifting heavy weights. You want to breathe with it to let out maximum force. So when I'm punching, I want my breathing to be in rhythm with that movement, right? I'm not holding on to it. I'm not tight through my body. I'm whipping, whipping, whipping and generating force through my body. And I want to breathe with that movement to get maximum exertion. So here, I'm in shape. I'm winding it up. I've got the rotation. I've got the balance. I've got the shape through my arms. I'm solid through my fists. Now I'm going to start to wind it up. I'm breathing with every shot. I'm letting every bit of energy go through my body and through the punch and through the bag. That's how you're going to get maximum power and really learn to generate it. Give it a go. Let me know how you get on.